So Apple did it again. They released another expensive product and want us to believe it's the next big thing. This is the new Apple Vision Pro 2, or at least that's what people are calling it. Apple calls it the new Vision Pro with the M5 chip. But let's be real, this is basically the same headset we saw 2 years ago with just one tiny upgrade. And if I'm being honest, nobody asked for this. Before I go all in, quick shout out. If you're into real, no BS tech reviews, hit that subscribe button because here we tell the truth, not what brands want us to say. And comment below, would you still buy the Vision Pro 2 for $3,499? Yes or no? Curious to know. All right, let's get into it. Apple claims this is new. They gave it a new chip, the M5, and called it a day. That's it. No redesign, no real improvements, no bold innovation. Just a spec bump. The body is exactly the same. Same aluminum frame, same curved glass, same buttons, same digital crown, same tethered battery you have to shove in your pocket like a power bank from 2018, same 12 cameras, same sensors, same R1 chip for motion, same micro OLED displays inside, same thermal vents, same everything. Even the weight problem? Still there. In fact, it's actually heavier now. Yes, Apple managed to release a new version that weighs more than the old one. Incredible. So what did Apple do in 2 years? They made a new head strap. Yep, a strap. They call it the dual knit band, and honestly, it's good. The original Vision Pro strap was horrible. It crushed your face and destroyed your nose bridge after 10 minutes. This new strap is way more comfortable. It puts weight on the top and back of your head, so it actually feels wearable now. But that's not innovation. That's fixing a mistake. And here's the funniest part. You can buy this new band separately for $99 and use it on the first Vision Pro. So you don't even need to buy the new one to get the best upgrade it has. Imagine waiting 2 years for a new Vision Pro, and the only thing Apple improved is something you can buy separately. Crazy. Okay, let's talk performance. Vision Pro 2 gets the M5 chip, the same chip Apple just put in the new iPad Pro. Apps load a bit faster. Gaming is slightly smoother. Converting photos to spatial 3D scenes is faster. Battery life is maybe 20% better. But visually, the same. The displays are the same. Field of view, the same. Cameras, the same. Even in side-by-side tests, you can barely see a difference in sharpness or clarity. Is it better than the M2 version? Technically, yes. But if you already have a Vision Pro, this is not worth upgrading. At all. VisionOS 2.6 brings better features than the hardware upgrade itself. Realistic personas are better now. They look less like horror movie characters and more like real people. You can pin widgets in your room now, like notes and weather. You can even turn your regular photos into spatial environments. That's cool. But again, that's software. And all of this is also available on the original Vision Pro. So I have to ask Apple, why release new hardware when the biggest improvements came from software? Let me be brutally honest. The Vision Pro is still a niche device. Apple wanted this to replace laptops and become the future of computing. But today, most Vision Pro users use it for one thing: watching movies. And after the hype wore off, most of them stopped using it regularly. Why? Because no one wants to spend hours wearing a heavy face computer. It doesn't matter how good the screen is. Comfort beats everything. And at $3,499, it better do a lot more than just Netflix in 3D. And now, finally, competition has arrived. Samsung just released its XR headset, powered by Android XR. Meta is pushing hard with Quest 3 and Quest Pro. Even gaming companies are building XR headsets. But do you want to know who Apple should be afraid of the most? Smart glasses. Meta Ray-Ban. Smart glasses are exploding in popularity. They're light. They look normal. They take photos, videos, call people, and summon AI. And you can wear them outside without looking like a robot. People actually enjoy wearing them. And that is a huge problem for Apple. There are rumors that Apple has already canceled the lightweight Vision Pro Air model and instead moved most of their team to work on Apple smart glasses. That should tell you everything. Even Apple knows headsets aren't the future. So let me wrap this up. Should you buy the Vision Pro 2? If you already own the first Vision Pro, absolutely not. There is no real reason to upgrade. If you don't own any Vision Pro and really want one, then sure, get this version. It's slightly better. But if you're waiting for the real future of wearable computers, skip this. Apple is clearly shifting towards smart glasses, and that's where the real revolution is going to happen. The Vision Pro 2 is not a bad product, but it's the definition of mid. Minor upgrade, massive price, and no clear purpose. If you made it this far, you're a legend. Comment below. Would you pay $3,499 for the Vision Pro 2, or would you rather wait for Apple Glass? I'll be replying to every comment. Don't forget to subscribe for real tech content. The truth, not hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.